Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. We have 3 4 by 8. This is a mixed fraction. Now we change it. This mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. There is one formula: denominator into whole number plus numerator by denominator. So this is shortcut d into w plus n by d. Here the question is 3 4 by 8. 4 is numerator, 8 is denominator, 3 is whole number. What is here formula? Denominator into whole number. Denominator into whole number. 8 into 3. 8 into 3 plus numerator. Numerator there is 4. 8 into 3 plus 4 by denominator 8 is equal to 8 3s are 24 plus 4. 24 4 28 by 8. Then next we will go to the next one. 9 3 by 4 is equal to denominator into whole number plus numerator. Denominator into whole number plus numerator by denominator is equal to denominator into whole number. Denominator into whole number. 4 into 9 plus numerator there is given 3. 4 9s are 36 plus 3. Both are add 36 plus 3 39. 39 by 4. Next 6 3 by 2. Formula there is d into w plus n by d. Denominator into whole number. There is given denominator 2. Whole number 6. These two are multiplied. 2 into 6. 2 into 6 plus numerator there is 3. 2 6 are 12 plus 3. Both are added. 12 plus 3 15. 15 by 2. Then other one is 2 5 by 10. Denominator into whole number. 10 into 2 plus numerator there is 5. 10 2s are 20 plus 5 by 2. 20 plus 5 25 by 2. Next 4 1 by 4. We have this mixed fraction. There is formula. So denominator 4, whole number 4. 4 into 4 plus numerator given there 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 we add it, then we get it the answer 17 by 4. Then next one is 5 2 by 3. This is the mixed fraction. Now there is formula denominator into whole number. Denominator 5, whole number, denominator 3, whole number 5. 3 into 5 plus numerator given 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 by 3. To add to 15, then we get 17. 17 by 3. Then other one is 7 3 by 5. Here also denominator into whole number. Denominator given there 5. Whole number given there 7. 5 into 7 plus numerator given 3. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 by 5. And 35 add 3, then 38. 38 by 5. 38 by 5. This is the improper fraction. Here 28 by 8, 39 by 4, 15 by 2, 25 by 2, 17 by 4, 17 by 3, 38 by 5. Every fraction you observe that numerator is bigger than the denominator. So these are all improper fractions. Now we learned about mixed fraction change into improper fraction. We use the formula denominator into whole number plus numerator by denominator. Okay, thank you very much.